morning everybody. Welcome to all of you. The OBLF coordinators will now present a small play. The title of the play is The Value of Man. This is Lakshmi Sagara village. This is Panchayat. This is Sarpanch. And his punches. This is Soman the complainant. This is his son Mahabir. This is Videsar the accused. This is Master Ji, this is Netaji. And these are the villagers. The Panchayat is now in session.
Soman, complainant.
Yes, sir.
Do submit whatever you two have just said.
What shall I say, sir? All of you already know my case.
What if I know? You just state your case.
Sir, I purchased one last year, but my son did not like the idea. He wanted a bicycle. But in this old age, how can I ride a bicycle? If I sit on the bicycle, I will break my limbs.
Stick to the point.
That is what I am coming to. Some 10 or 12 days back, I tied my ass at night to Netaji's Goa tree. In the next morning, I went there, but the ass was not there. And I asked this boy to locate the animal, and he said,
Good thing. I had become an ass myself. He gave up my studies to look after his house.
look at this audacity. I lost my ass, but he is celebrating that. You fool, don't you know your father passed his life tending the ass?
Proceed.
All my efforts to locate the ass failed. Then I started to regret. I had not bought a bicycle. That bicycle would never run away on its own.
So now you have come to your senses.
Hold your tongue. Don't be impudent. Sir, I was saying I got a clue day before yesterday. That is, my ass was tethered at his place, means Videsar's place. Immediately I rushed to the spot, and I saw that was true. And full of relief, I rushed to untie the ass. But this Videsar gave me a rude thrashing.
Now you may sit down.
As you please.
Videsar,
Yes, sir.
did you listen to what Soman has stated?
Yes, sir.
What have you to say about it?
The Soman tried to harness my ass by force, so I gave him a thrashing.
What proof do you have that the hair is yours?
Masters, I know this guy. Let's him explain.
Yes, sir. It is correct.
Are you also adapted to recognize the traits of the horse?
Why not? I tend my horse. Off all day at school. Sir, these tender of asses may kindly be asked if we can identify the two asses and their masters.
See how you speak, how impudent and rude he is.
Well, if you blab like this, you will get a good slap. Keep quiet.
Master Sahib, this boy has said nothing irrelevant. Can you recognize Soman's horse?
Yes, I can.
Why wait then? Please go and see for yourself. We have already got the horse here for identification. It is tethered over there.
All right.
Well, if you
Oh God! Lightning smite him. Who speaks a lie? Oh God!
if you shout like that crazily, how can there be a panchayat? Have patience. Watch the proceedings. Please produce your witness now.
My witnesses, sir, are countless. All my villagers can recognize my ass, and all of them can't behave like Master Sahib.
But what to do? You must give some names as yours. Witnesses. Do you trust Netaji?
What can I say about him, sir? How can I disbelieve him?
Netaji,
Yes, sir.
please go and inspect the horse.
I have already inspected, sir.
Does it belong to Soman?
It does not seem to someone as sir.
Oh
Badrinath. Curse him a leper. Who speaks a lie?
You are again shouting. First appeal to the Panchas. Only then may you beseech the mercy of God.
I considered the Panchas also as gods.
Soman, who is your next witness?
When people like Netaji can change color, whom else should I name as my witness? Now my witness is none other than Sun God overhead.
But justice cannot be based on evidence of the sun god.
God alone will do me justice. Oh Lord Badrinath, please annihilate him and his entire family, who has made a false deposition and who has stolen my ass. Enough this panchayat. I will leave this panchayat here and now.
You get unnecessarily unnerved. Sit here. I will find a witness.
You idiots, what a fool's paradise you seem to be living in. Don't you understand? Who will dare depose against the Mataji and his Master Sahib?
Please have patience for some time. Sir, can I produce a witness?
All right, mention his name.
The name of my witness is Prat Sahib.
Praksayat. Is he an Englishman?
No, just from one of our village.
Where is he?
There in Orchard.
But I see nobody in the orchard.
Please kindly call him by his name, sir.
Mr. Praksayat, Mr. Praksayat, please.
So, this is Prat Sahib. Sir, he can take a truckload of clothes and he runs like a motor car. That's why I have named his name Prat Sahib.
See, sir. But who can understand his language?
Master Sahib, you have already said that you look after us. Can you not interpret the us?
See, sir, see. How this boy is... see, sir, see. Boy is how impudent.
Master Sahib, please be composed for a while and watch the developments. So what should be the mode of deposition of your Prat Sahib?
Sir, Prat Sahib will stand witness for anyone. Who puts this garland of his neck?
Fine, what a nice suggestion. Bide sir, please hold this garland and put it Prat Sahib's neck. All we shall watch.
As you please.
Oh, what happened to you? Are you alright?
This has almost killed me.
Oh, are you alright? Well, if you approach an unfamiliar us, this will be the result.
Netaji, please give him first aid. Bide sir's examination is over. Now take your turn to garland the has.
Alright, sir. Here is my witness, Mr. Prat Sahib. Whoever likes may have his company here.
Oh, I am afraid of Prat Sahib. His deposition is over. Tell him to move away. Now I pronounce my judgment. Though a number of witnesses appeared for Bide sir in this case, as against a solitary one in favor of Soman, yet I have come to the decision that the ass belongs to Soman and not to Bide sir, because only Soman witness is reliable in the matter.
Is it your judgment? That is the value of an ass. He is greater than that as a man.
Is there any doubt about it?
What is the logic behind it?
The simple logic. The simple logic. A man can lie various and ass can never do so. Do you follow?